Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Mr. Wheaton. I am the 7th grade math teacher here at Grandview Schools, and I'm just going to show you a brief tutorial on how to access Google Classroom. So hold on one moment. Okay, first things first is you're going to, when your student starts their Chromebook, it's going to look like this. What you want to do is go to Chrome, and a blank menu is going to pop up that looks like this right here. All right, what you want to do is go over to the apps button right here. Now this Google Apps button, it looks like a waffle. You want to click on it, and Google Classroom will be right here. A lot of other information like Google Docs and other things are on here as well. Their email is right here on Gmail, but Google Classroom is where you want to go. And for their classrooms, their classroom list will be right here. So if they're in 7th grade, they have math and science and everything, but they'll have probably more than one teacher, but each of these are different classes. Next, you also want to look at going into a class. The teacher will post either on the stream, which is right here at the top. It says stream, and as you can see, my class, I have some things that I posted on the stream. And a lot of teachers will also have it in here in classwork. So this is where a lot of the classwork is. Like I have my homework section right here. I have my Google Meet section right here. And what I do is if it's homework, they can click on this material right here, and they can click on a video or the actual assignment that they have right here. So if they click on those sorts of things. But each teacher has it set up a bit differently. Like Google Meet right here, if they click Google Meet, the link of the Google Meet is right here and it will open for them. I also have an attendance form, and then I have a bunch of assignments that the students can look at. But this is how I set it up here, but this is the classwork and this is the stream. And this is what the students want to look at in terms of things that they need to turn in. Now, upcoming, usually a lot of assignments will be due on this little spot right here, this assignment. So they want to look at all upcoming assignments, and students will be able to look at that, have that information on hand right there. But this concludes the main tutorial of finding out how to access Google Classroom and information labeled. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can contact the school at the phone number is 918-456-5131. And you can also contact any of your fellow teachers with their first initial last name at grandviewchargers.org. Thank you and have a great day.